Elon Musk is one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world today. His journey to success was filled with hard work, big dreams, and a lot of challenges. Musk was born in South Africa and was always curious and interested in technology. As a young boy, he loved reading and taught himself to code. By the age of 12, he created his first computer game and sold it, showing his early interest in both technology and business. Musk moved to the United States to study and chase bigger dreams. In the 1990s, he started his first company, Zip2, which provided online maps and business directories for newspapers. It was not easy, and he had to work long hours, even sleeping in his office sometimes. But his hard work paid off, and he sold Zip2 for nearly $300 million. This success gave him the money and confidence to keep going. With his earnings, Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment company that later became PayPal. PayPal was a huge success and transformed the way people send money online. When eBay bought PayPal, Musk received a large amount of money from the sale, which he decided to invest in new and risky projects. Instead of living a comfortable life with his money, Musk wanted to make a difference. He believed that the future should be exciting and sustainable, so he started investing in companies that could change the world. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with the dream of making space travel affordable and helping humans become a multi-planetary species. Building rockets was extremely costly and difficult, and Musk faced many failures. However, after a few failed launches, SpaceX finally succeeded, making it the first private company to send a rocket into orbit. He didn't stop there. Musk also wanted to reduce pollution on Earth, so he joined Tesla Motors, which was making electric cars. Many people didn't believe that electric cars could be popular, but Musk kept pushing forward. Today, Tesla is one of the most well-known car companies in the world, helping reduce pollution and inspiring others to develop clean energy. Elon Musk's journey was not easy. He faced many obstacles and even came close to running out of money. But his strong belief in his dreams, along with his hard work and determination, helped him achieve great success. Today, Musk is involved in many projects, from renewable energy with Solar City to brain-computer interfaces with Neuralink, always trying to push the limits of what is possible. Musk's story shows us that believing in yourself, working hard, and not giving up, even when things are tough, can lead to amazing results. His life is proof that big dreams and dedication can change the world.